The desert's glowing in the perfect sunrise. And today, we're hitting 7 geological mysteries on one of the most breathtaking landscapes on the earth. From fiery waves of sandstone to the hidden 7 wonders. Every turn feels otherworldly. This is the start of our 3-part adventure series. And trust me, you won't believe what's coming next. We're Sean and Heidi, and this is Hike Bites. Welcome to the Valley of Fire. We are traveling to the Valley of Fire State Park in Nevada, 1 hour north of Las Vegas off the 15. The park opens at sunrise and closes at sunset, but open 24 hours for camping. At the entrance of the park, you can self-pay so that you can see the sunrise like we did. We highly recommend it for the perfect lighting. Oh, 3:55 this morning in Vegas to drive here. It was about an hour and 4 minutes to get here and trying to get that sunrise. But it looks like it's going to pay off. Look at this. So we're headed towards the fire wave, and we got that sun just peeking out over the mountains. Couldn't ask for a better time for filming. Look what's above us. Is that wild? What do you think so far, Heidi?
This is amazing. I've never seen anything like this.
So this is the fire wave. We're gonna walk to the top where the sun's hitting the other side and get a good look at it. Oh, yeah, this is pretty. Woo! Look at that. We're gonna head to the wave. Oh, it even gets better over here. Wow, I recommend coming here to camp so you don't have to rush anything. So here's the infamous fire wave at sunrise. It would be like a beautiful crest of a wave peaking. I mean, being a surfer, I can see why they call it the wave. There's the peak. You're gonna drop in, do a big bottom turn. Beautiful.
The Valley of Fire is Nevada's oldest and largest state park. It opened in 1935 and covers over 40,000 acres of blazing red Aztec sandstone that formed more than 150 million years ago. The colors come from ancient sand dunes turned into rock, iron, giving us those reds, manganese, the purples, and silica, the whites.
The unique swirl patterns in the sandstone you'll see ahead formed from millions of years of shifting dunes, compressing, and then being carved by wind and flash floods. So I'm going to make my way down to Heidi, if you can see her way in the distance. We're going to check out this little dome. It's so cool the way it winds up. So much steeper than it looks. Okay. All right. We're headed towards that dome right there. So Heidi's making her way up this dome at the end of the wave trail, the fire wave trail. It's about 6:45 and it's November 10th. Sunrise was at 6:12, but the light did not hit this till about 6:40. For all of you that want to film this and for whatever reason. But it's gorgeous at this light. Wow. You gonna make it all the way up, Heidi?
I made it!
You did. That is beautiful.
Oh, this is amazing.
You know, it's funny. I'll probably be able to hear you because it's so quiet. Heidi made it to the top. Yay. It's quite the view. I'm gonna come join you. This is the ideal season to book your trip to the desert now until maybe like April. The weather is getting cooler. Oh, what a view. Look at this morning light. Wow. This is probably one of the most beautiful places I've ever been. So where are you headed, Heidi? Heidi's surfing the wave, that fire wave. Boy, that is cool looking.
So we're leaving the Fire Wave Trail and we're going on to the Seven Wonders Loop. Headed to the Seven Wonders. Would you look at this, guys? We're going to go through here. This is really cool.
They weren't kidding about the wonders, were they?
Oh my gosh.
Heidi, if we come back here, we gotta camp.
Yes.
There's so much off-trail exploration just driving down here.
Oh my gosh. It just keeps going. This is so amazing.
Oh man. I'm gonna film this, guys, in one clip so you get a feel how long this is.
This whole area is called the Pastel Canyon, nicknamed the Pink Slot Canyon because the walls literally blend from pink to peach to lavender. It's one of those places that doesn't look real until you're standing in it.
I'm always intrigued how much time it takes to get something like this slot canyon to look like it does today. Just the colors are what's really get me, how beautiful and rich they are. That was the nicest little part of a trail ever.
This is neat.
This is so great.
Oh my gosh. Look at it, it's like pink. The sand is pink.
That's where we just
It's like a
left.
peachy pink. It's so pretty.
Peachy pink. That's a good way to describe it, for sure. I wonder if getting up here would change the perspective. Let's see.
I'm gonna take a water break and here's a nice little spot to put my backpack.
Beautiful. Honestly, if this was the only part of the trail, I would have already been satisfied. I could have hung out here all day between the Fire Wave and the Pink Slot Canyon. I've never seen a place like this. Boy, I'm glad I didn't step into a cactus. Definitely keep your eyes open when you're filming. I just, bumped into a bush, but if that would have been a cactus, that would have really sucked. So the trail ends up here by the street, huh? So you will have to cross the street to continue the Seven Wonders Trail. So this is the beginning of the rest of the loop. What a view.
A Western movie or something.
Yeah, a good Western.
The best Western.
All right, can't wait to see. They got like an arch, they have a cave, they have domes, they have 2 movie sites. Can't wait to see them all. I believe this section is called the Painted Walls.
is better than I could have ever imagined this trail. This is so much fun. There's like different angles and diversity to the whole entire trail. My gosh.
Yeah, we get to go through this awesome little secret tunnel. Take us through.
Oh
Oh,
my goodness. Wow, this is so fun.
oh man.
Wow.
It's like the perfect size for people to go through.
Wow. How fun is this?
Short and sweet, isn't it?
I am loving this trail
Yeah,
so
ditto.
much. This is so much fun.
Well, we got a clear arrow to go up.
I don't want to see what's over.
Yeah, I gotta go in there. And this is called the Kalin Canyon. You don't want to miss this one, guys. And then we're gonna see 2 arches and a fire cave. So if you can believe this, there's 4 slot canyons on the 7 Wonders Trail. Each one is unique and all of them are full of adventure.
Oh my gosh.
Just weather erosion.
I wonder what little critters live So we're going to do a big old loop around. Feels like we're on another planet here, for sure.
Didn't they film a Mars Hollywood movie here?
Yeah.
Looks like another canyon. The trail that never stops giving.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, I do love canyons.
Me too.
Valley of Fire has been Hollywood's go-to for alien planets for decades. The rock formations are just that otherworldly. And just to name a few movies, we have Star Trek Generations, Transformers, and Total Recall. Can't wait to get in it. Boy, is it hard to run in sand. Oh, this is the best canyon yet. Yeehaw! Yeah, Heidi, check it out. Come on in.
Sand is hard to walk in. It feels like it takes twice as long to get from point A to point B.
It does, but the weather in here is really nice. Wow. And look how tall it is.
Whoa.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness. I'm digging this.
I have not been on a hike like this in 2025 for my life, but I mean, this might be my favorite for this year.
I think this is it. This is
I'm feeling that way.
absolutely gorgeous.
So what we just went through is the White Domes Slot Canyon. That is a blast. There's plenty of off-trail excursions. There's a bunch of footprints going up this canyon, but the trail is just a little bit to the left. So we're gonna stay on trail. Highly recommend bringing some kind of navigation. You could get off trail super easy here. And to be lost in the desert, that can't be good. God, it's really gorgeous through here. Look at that odd rock right there. We had to figure out what's in this little circular cave here. This looks cool. We'll find out if there's something in here.
You climb right
Oh, cool. There's many interesting caves along this trail, and I believe we missed a few. It's hard to really get a feel for how large these stones are. I mean, they're massive. Jurassic size. So now we're going back through Kalen Canyon. Well, that wraps up part 1 of our Valley of Fire series. We've covered the Fireway and the full 7 Wonders Trail, but we're just getting started. In part 2, we're hiking the White Domes Trail, home to massive boulders, slot canyons, movie locations, and some of the park's most dramatic views. In part 3, we're taking you through the famous Mouse Tanks Trail and the legendary petroglyph walls. And as a bonus, we'll visit and climb the staircase to the enormous Atlatl rock, displaying ancient tribe art dating back as far as 2,500 years. Make sure you subscribe to Hike Bites and hit that bell for all notifications so you don't miss our next adventure. We'll see you in part 2. Thanks for watching, and until your next adventure, remember, explore nature with us at Hike Bites, one bite at a time.